Hello students, a hearty welcome to all of you to Pragati Education. Also I heartily welcome all of you to chapter 4B. पिलाए आम चैप्टर 4 ए रे वर्ब संबंध आगे पढ़ी व्हाट इज मीन बाय वर्ब, डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ वर्ब ए संबंध में सविशेष आलोचना करथिले। तो आज आम चैप्टर 4 रो बी रे आम देखिबा जे वर्ब को नहीं आम कि प्रकार त्रुटि करि पारू बा कि प्रकार भूल हेबार यथेष्ट संभावना थाए। मु आगुर कहिछि कि प्रकार भूल आम करिबार संभावना अछि, आम जानिले से अनुसार सतर्क रहिबा एवं भूल बा त्रुटि को आम संशोधन करि परिबा। तो पिलाए मु प्रत्येक प्रश्न पढ़िया परे हाराहारी 10 सेकंड गोटे पॉज नेबी, से मध्य तुम टिके चिंता करिवो तार सठिक उत्तर कौन हो पारे एवं ता परे परे मु तार उत्तर रखिबी। ताहले आरंभ करिबा आज रो एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1। द डॉक्टर सॉ हिज पल्स। प्रथम प्रश्न, द डॉक्टर सॉ हिज पल्स। ए सेंटेंस रे भूल कौन अछि? जस्ट थिंक योरसेल्फ। The doctor saw his pulse. सठिक उत्तरटी हला the doctor read his pulse. The doctor read his pulse or felt his pulse. saw his pulse এটা रॉन्ग एक्सप्रेशन। कहीं की saw माने केवल देखिबा, किंतु रेड एठी पल्स को देखी किछि अनुमान करिवार अछि, किछि गेस करिवार अछि। तेनु एठी रेड हिज पल्स और फेल्ट हिज पल्स इज द राइट आंसर। एबे आसीबा नंबर 2। द क्लर्क सॉ माय टेस्टिमोनियल्स। द क्लर्क सॉ माय टेस्टिमोनियल्स। Just think about what may be the right answer or the right statement. The right statement is the clerk saw jagare looked over. The clerk looked over my testimonials. So अर्थ केवल देखिबा, लुक्ड ओवर माने तन्न तन्न करी देखिबा, और एठी लुक्ड ओवर माय टेस्टिमोनियल्स इज द राइट स्टेटमेंट। एबे आसीबा आमे नंबर 3 को। आई होप टू कीप गुड मार्क्स इन साइंस दिस टाइम। सेंटेंस नंबर 3, आई होप टू कीप गुड मार्क्स in science this time. Just think about the right statement. The right statement is I hope to secure. Instead of keep, it will be secure. I hope to secure good marks in science this time. Keep पर रखिबा एथिपाई एठार गोटे रॉन्ग एक्सप्रेशन। तेणु एटा हबो आई होप टू सिक्योर गुड मार्क्स इन साइंस दिस टाइम। स्टेटमेंट 4th, बीइंग ए हॉट डे ही डिड नॉट कम आउट। बीइंग ए हॉट डे ही डिड नॉट कम आउट। जस्ट थिंक अबाउट द राइट स्टेटमेंट। सठिक उत्तरटी हला बा सठिक स्टेटमेंट हला इट बीइंग ए हॉट डे। इट बीइंग ए हॉट डे ही डिड नॉट कम आउट, और एज इट वाज ए हॉट डे। एज इट वाज ए हॉट डे। बीइंग ए हॉट डे ही डिड नॉट कम आउट मीन्स से आसिले नहीं कौन बीइंग ए हॉट डे। एटा एक्सप्रेशन रॉन्ग। एज इट वाज ए हॉट डे मीन्स जेहेतु डे हॉट थिला से आसिले नाही. So the right statement is it being a hot day it did not come out, or as it was a hot day it did not come out. So students, now let us come to sentence number 5. I asked if had they taken their food. I asked if had they taken their food. Think about the right statement. The right statement is I asked if had the jagare they had, if they had taken their food. So here the right statement is I asked if they had taken their food. In that question the subject comes first. एमिति एक indirect question रे first subject आसे तापरे verb. So I asked if they had taken their food is the right statement. Then number 6, my foot is paining. My foot is paining. Just think about the right statement. The right statement is I have a foot in my pen. I have a foot. I have a pen in my foot. It is the right statement. Why? Karan pen is a verb that is always used transitively. Pen is a verb that should always be used as transitively. So I have a pen in my foot. This is the right statement. कारण एठारे पेन ट्रांजिटिवली यूज होई नहीं और एठारे पेन ट्रांजिटिवली यूज है. So this is the right statement. I have a pen in my foot. Then let us come to the statement 7. He had all the things that I explained him. He had all the things that I explained him. Just think about the right statement. The right statement is he listened. He listened all the things that I explained him. Here listen is the correct verb. क्यों? काहे ना हाड़ माने केवल सुनिबा. हाड़ और लिसन में तो डिफरेंस. हाड़ माने केवल सुनिबा. लिसन माने ठीक है ध्यान पूर्वक सुनिबा with attention. So here he listened all the things that I explained him is the right statement. So now let us come to sentence number 8. She went to England to know English. Just think about the right sentence. The right statement is she went to England to learn English. Instead of know, it will be learn. He went to England to learn English. कहीं ना लर्न अर्थ होची शिक्षा करिबा आउ नो अर्थ होची जानिबा. जने शिक्षा लाभ करिबा परे ही जानि परिबो. You can know only after you have learned. So here the right statement is she went to England to learn English. Without learning, nobody can know. So here the right statement is she went to England to learn English. Sentence number 9. She knows to swim. She knows to swim. Think about the right statement. The right statement is she knows how to swim. How to swim. So here the right statement is she knows how to swim. Then sentence number 11. He likes to eat mango. Sentence 10. He likes to eat mango. Don't he? Think about the right statement. The question sentence is he likes to eat mango. Don't he? The right statement is he likes to eat mango. Doesn't he? Doesn't he? Because it is third person singular. He, third person singular. That is why the right question tag, it is doesn't he. So now let us come to question number 11. Question number 11. He left smoking. So just think about the correct statement. The question statement is he left smoking. Just think about the correct statement. The correct statement is he gave up smoking. He gave up smoking. कौन सी बैड हैबिट को परित्याग करिवा अर्थ गेव अप. लेफ्ट माने कौन सी स्थान परित्याग करिवा. He left Cuttack for Delhi. So here the right statement is he gave up smoking. Smoking which is a bad habit. एटा को परित्याग करबा अर्थ इंग्रेजी रे gave up. He gave up smoking. Then sentence number 12. Please give me a knife. Please give me a knife. I want to cut my pencil. So please give me a knife. I want to cut my pencil. Just think about the right statement. What may be the right statement? The right statement is please give me a knife. I want to sharpen my pencil. I want to sharpen my pencil. Cut अर्थ होची दुई पीस दुई खंड करी काटिबा. दुई पीस रे विभक्त करिबा. किंतु शार्पेन शार्प करिबा. And we need to sharp pencil. So here the right statement is please give me a knife. I want to sharpen my pencil. So the correct statement is please give me a knife. I want to sharpen my pencil. So my dear students, हमें तो जानिले बाहर को नहीं हम कि प्रकार त्रुटि हमें करि पारो बा कई बार संभावना थाए. हमें से अनुसार सजग रहिले हमें निश्चित रूप से भूल परिमाण टाकू कमाई दे परिबा. एथिरे संदेह नाही. तो हमें हमर परवर्ती चैप्टर से खूब शीघ्र फेरचु. वर्तमान भाई एतिकी. धन्यवाद.